Today, I'm going to be reviewing Rootstim's 5% Minoxidil for men and women. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This also has rosemary in it. I hadn't really heard about that before, but it's supposed to help you lose less hair with that in there. Now, I've used Minoxidil before. I've reviewed it. I've used it for many, many years. It's basically something that's going to stop any more issues. So it's not, some people will notice regrowth. For somebody my age, I'm almost 50. If you have receding hairlines or stuff like that, it will kind of slow that down. Or if you're losing hair, it's going to stop it from getting any worse. What I really like about this is the spray bottle. Back in the day, the clubs that you joined, they'd have little droppers. So much better, so much easier to direct it on the area. Just one spray in there, wherever you need it. Rub it in. You can put it on your temples. I do that for the receding hairline. My skin doctor said that that's good for that. And wash your hands and you're good to go. This does really well on Amazon. I guess 4.5 stars, over 600 reviews. And unbelievably, last month, 6,000 plus of these were bought. So if you want to try Minoxidil, because there are just a bunch out on Amazon, maybe give this one a try. It's a good price. People like it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.